Chris Hansen at 6/8, 2021. 6 microwave extremes into my shoulders. I can't even move my shoulders. This thing is locking the muscles and pulsing my shoulder sockets. There's constant talk coming across the sky from Pearl Harbor HICKAM Air Force Base. It's AI. It's also got such an extreme. It hurts to even move my arm. My shoulders are locked up. It's got such an extreme on the back of my brain that it's saying, you're such a terror in a minute that you're out on the street in a second, Hansen. Right now I'm here house sitting for a friend that's gone. This thing has got constant 24-hour focus on me and torture. It's focused on 24 Hialeah Street here. Apartment 14. It's coming from Pearl Harbor HICKAM Air Force Base. They're using these Verizon signal boxes on tops of the roofs for this mind control stuff. J.D. Farag has already removed them from off the top of his church. He didn't want them there. They're using them all over the city for terrorism and war crimes. Honolulu, Hawaii, Oahu.